Hey everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, we'll show you how to contact Rocket Money customer service. So open up your browser and simply type in Rocket Money customer service. You will have this first link. Click on it. Right, as you can see on their official website, we have multiple ways to contact them for the support. So the first one is going to be the email. As you can see, we have a support@rocketmoney.com. You can use this email to send them a message and they will help you with your issues. After that, we have a live chat. The quickest way to get help is through their live chat, which is available on the Rocket Money app or their website. Alright, so to chat with the support, basically you need to log in into your account first. And after that, as you can see on the dashboard, we have chat with us. So click there and you will be able to fix any of your issues. And the last method is, of course, to use the phone number. Though it's not widely recommended for app-related issues, you can try their support number as well. So the support hours are Monday to Friday from 9 AM to 8 PM EST. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.